Hi, my name is Dylan Hong, and I'm a senior at Phoenix Country Day School. Recently, I've been working on a project that allows me to control the height of these two funnels with the power of my concentration. So watch this. Last year, I was able to write programs and build a circuit that allowed me to control the flight of an RC helicopter with my hand motions. This year, I wanted to explore a new type of innovative hardware. I started out with a project in mind. I was always a really big fan of superheroes and their powers, so I thought it'd be incredible to make something float with the power of my concentration. To start off my project, I immediately started researching brainwave sensors and variable speed computer fans. From my research, I found the NeuroSky Mindwave Mobile, the cheapest brainwave sensor on the market. I also found these Corsair computer fans, which are relatively inexpensive, and in order to power the fans, I took apart an old computer and extracted its power supply, which I trick into outputting power by connecting the green wire to ground. And to communicate with all of these components, I use an Arduino. I went about completing this project by focusing on two major components. First, getting the brainwave sensor information onto my computer, and second, getting that information to control the speed of the fans. Finally, I would wrap it all together by connecting the two. I did a lot of research and was eventually able to write a code that converted the information from my brainwave sensor into information that the computer could understand. I then wrote a program that would allow me to control the speed of the fans based on the cursor position on my computer screen. And to power the fans, I had to solder some wires together. At first I thought I could make ping pong balls float if I made paper funnels to direct the airflow. Sadly, fans that would be powerful enough to do this are extremely expensive. However, the funnels that I used in testing floated with ease. From then on, I worked on many different funnel designs and found one that was both light and sturdy. I also needed to design and build a mechanism that would prevent the funnels from flying away from the fans. Using the skills I've learned through my involvement in our robotics team, I cut and drilled a few pieces of aluminum and used steel pencil rod as a central shaft. Finally, it was time for me to connect these two parts, and this was particularly challenging because from looking through online forums and even NeuroSky's own website, they say the only way to connect the Mindwave Mobile to an Arduino is through a separate Bluetooth adapter. I knew there had to be a workaround, and I was right. After a lot of problem solving, I was able to use serial port and get the information from my headset to the Arduino without purchasing an extra part. It's pretty rewarding to do what many others claim to be impossible. Eventually, I was able to get my hardware and software working well together. I had many minor issues along the way, but I was able to work through all of them. I even had to learn how to weld because I needed a more efficient platform that would let more air get to the fans. Aside from being fun, my engineering can be used to help people. Many people without full motor control need service animals to help them complete simple everyday tasks, such as turning on a TV. With this technology, a user could concentrate on the TV to turn it on. I'm excited to explore the different possibilities that this technology holds. For now, thank you to Dr. Tolentino and Phoenix Country Day School for making this project possible.